Hi, this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I usually do how-to videos and I publish them every other day. So if you like this channel, please subscribe, leave a like or a comment, and keep watching. So this video is going to be a little bit different. This video is about how to deal with internet trolls on YouTube. So basically, recently I've dealt with a few internet trolls, not as much harassment as needing to call the police or anything like that, but still harassment online as a result of making YouTube videos. So in this video, I'm going to go over the scenarios that I had to deal with and how you kind of avoid them. I don't think you can really avoid them too much. Just one day, somebody might just by hazard be stumbling across your video and not like you for some reason and attack you. And so those people are trolls that leave negative comments or dislikes on all your videos, or they contact you on social media or other social media that's linked to your YouTube channel just to bug you and to just discourage you or bully you. So that's what an internet troll really is. So recently, if you hadn't noticed, I haven't been on YouTube for a little while, just because I've been sick, in and out of the hospital, and they've been trying to figure out what is wrong with me. So literally, when I was being attacked by this internet troll, I was actually getting an MRI of my brain, my neck, and my spine. So there was no way I could think about making YouTube videos or responding to YouTube comments at the time. I was thinking, oh my gosh, what is it that they're looking for? They're trying to see that if I have MS or not. And thankfully I don't. Yeah, I don't have MS, but they are trying to, get me better, fix me up, and fix up my immune system and everything. So besides that, what I want to say is that during that time I was being attacked by an internet troll. So this person had sent me some negative comments, and so what happened was one of my videos had thousands and thousands of views on it and had hundreds of comments, and I just could not keep up with every comment because some of the comments were like the same comments over and over again but from different people. And so if you read a little bit further down, I'd already answered the question, and up to this point I had started to put links in the comment section of where you can look up the manual or you can Google how to use this piece of electronics. So at that point I was like, I can't answer all these comments anymore. I have to close the comments. So eventually I closed the comments on YouTube Studio, and that must have angered somebody off in the internet somewhere in some other country. I don't know. Actually, I don't know where they're from, but they sent me a negative comment, and it said something like, here's what you get now for closing comments. I'm giving you some sort of dislike. And so this person went through every single video that I have on my channel, which is hundreds of videos, and put a dislike on hundreds of my YouTube videos. So I don't know if that makes any difference with the rating of your YouTube videos. I think it must have some sort of effect on your channel, but they disliked hundreds of my videos. So that was really devastating for me. And it's also kind of devastating when you get a negative comment from a stranger, because you think that the video is good and then you get a comment from somebody that's really hateful and hurtful. It just hurts you. And so yeah, what I did was I blocked them and I kept the comments closed, and I think I hid their comments from my page immediately as well, because I think I got a notification across my screen or something like that. So I hid everything, and then I think I reported them as well. So I think that's what you have to do. You have to report those comments just so that that same person can't use that account to harass anybody else, or they can't harass you again on YouTube. So I did actually go, before I erased their comment, I went to their page and I saw that they were an authentic troll. They don't have any videos at all. They have the bare minimum of information on their page. There's nothing on about, and the picture is gone as well. Or maybe they've stole someone else's picture and put it on their profile as their picture. So that's the worst type of troll, because you can't really track them. Even if you have their, account suspended or deleted or something, they can still go back and start a new account with different information. So that's unfortunate. You can't run away from that. But like I said, the first thing to do is don't respond to them. Don't go back and forth with people in the comments when they're negative. First, negative comments and negative spirit. I don't know. I just kind of try to avoid negative things and people who are negative as well. It's not good for you. It slows you down. It upsets you. It changes the way you think and feel. So just ignore people altogether when they're negative. Report them so that YouTube knows that this person is harassing you or doing harm to you online. You know, it'll stop them from doing it. Maybe if they're reported enough times, then just they will move on to somebody else, or just they'll think of some other way of bothering somebody, or they'll just get a life. In my case, I removed the comments. I closed the comments for the video, so I did lose all of those comments and likes and hearts and thumbs ups and everything on that video. I did try to see if I could go back and open the comments again and see them, but I could not, and I could not see any of the comments again. I had lost all the comments. That's unfortunate, but I closed the comments on the video. Another thing I wanted to touch on was the fact that, you shouldn't really respond to those people when they're attacking you online. First, like I said, they're negative, but second, you don't know where they are and what they're dealing with. First, they could be anywhere in the world. They could be in Canada, they could be in the United States, they could be all over Europe, anywhere in the world, and they're watching your video and making a comment on it. Another thing is, you don't know if they're just having a bad day, if they're just malicious because they just don't like you, or if they're having a genuine mental health problem. So you don't want to antagonize somebody that's having a mental health problem, or you don't know where they are. They could be across the street from you. They could actually want to physically do harm to you as well. So I don't engage any of those people that send negative comments my way either. So overall, I just wanted you to know that I think the best thing to do with internet trolls is just to ignore them. Don't engage them. It gives you, it shows everybody else online that you are taking the higher road. You're not getting down to their level to, engage in bad practices online. Just continue doing what you're doing. Some people, they just like to be negative. Some people just like to tear other people down online. And so you should just continue what you're doing. Don't get discouraged. Keep doing your YouTube videos. Keep plugging away at it. And I think you will be successful. So this video is about how to deal with internet trolls on YouTube. If you like this video, please leave a like or a comment or subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one.